Hi guys, hi beautiful people. I especially welcome you all to your favorite vegetarian channel, Macoms Veg Kitchen. I trust you all are doing well and in good shape. In today's video, we are cooking, it's bougie and it's a seaweed wrapped tofu. Let's get right into it. For the ingredients, I have spring onions or scallions, I have tofu, I also have vegetarian oyster flavored sauce, a Chinese marinade sauce, seaweed, and cornstarch. I start off by cutting up my tofu. I'm going to be using 2 blocks, so I cut it up into nice rectangular pieces. And then I go right into cutting my seaweed into fine strips. I have about 10 pieces of seaweed. Right after that, I'm going to wrap my tofu with the seaweed. So I pick one tofu at a time and I gently wrap it with the seaweed, just like as you can see in the video, and then I set it aside. I repeat the process until I'm done with everything. Seaweed is a low-calorie, highly nutritious food that provides nutrients not often found in plant food, such as iodine, B12, and vitamin D. Seaweed is also a good source of calcium, folate, and magnesium. In addition to vitamins and minerals that may be especially valuable for vegans and vegetarians, seaweed provides unique plant compounds that have been linked to good health and disease prevention. At this point, I'm done with the wrapping of the tofu. Mind you, my oil is preheated, so I go ahead, I pick one wrapped tofu and then I just dip it in the cornstarch and then I add it to my frying pan. I'm doing this on a medium-high heat and I'm frying with very little vegetable oil. I'm just going to allow it to fry, and then once it's golden brown, I flip to the other side. Tofu is made of condensed soy milk that's pressed into solid white blocks in a process that's quite similar to cheese making. Let me tell you some nutritional facts about tofu. Aside its being delicious, compounds in tofu appear to protect against illnesses such as heart diseases, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. In addition, this soy food may promote brain and bone health and have several other benefits. As such, tofu makes a great addition to a well-rounded diet. I'm going to chop up my scallions or spring onions at this point and set aside. Just look at how beautiful my seaweed wrapped tofu looks. So I'm going to go in with my oyster sauce, I drizzle, and I'm going to add my Chinese marinade sauce as well. This is going to add extra flavor and make my tofu delicious and tasty. I turn down the heat at this point so it does not burn, and my tofu is ready. I garnish it with the scallions or spring onions, and there you have it. Yummy, delicious, nutritious seaweed wrapped tofu. You can have this at any time of the day with any meal, and trust me, you're going to enjoy it. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, do want to give it a big thumbs up as it helps the channel grow. Kindly share this content with your friends, family, loved ones, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Do want to turn on your post notification so you get notified each time a video drops. And until I see you on next one, stay beautiful, stay positive. Bye guys.